This is application of a short arm cast for a 6-year-old young man who injured his wrist playing soccer. One good thing about kids is to remember that you want to try to make your applications kid friendly. One good trick that I'm going to show you is to prevent that from happening is to roll off a few rows of pillows right across from the end. Take your scissors and cut a semicircle between 2 rows of pillows. What that does, it actually opens up a small channel that you can drape over the thumb. Okay? What we want to do is drape the material directly over his thumb. Bring our material back up. Make a small cut, leaving one pillow. Come between the web space again. Coming across the back of the hand and locking in all of those pieces that we just cut. Starting on the wrist, roll off a few rows of pillows and cut up 2 rows. This is to span the wrist, to allow the material to drape across the wrist. When you roll your material, you actually want to roll in what's known as a 50-50 method, which means every revolution you will end up with 2 layers of material. You want to continue to roll until you get about 2 inches below the antecubital space or 2 inches below the crease of the elbow. Now we want to finish up our cast. With the remainder of our roll, want to roll off several inches. Fold over right on the end of your material 1 row of pillows. What this creates is a cushioned border. Right in the center of the piece that you cut, you actually want to cut a V. This is going to be used to drape around the thumb. V down, drape around the thumb, protecting all of the areas. Next piece we want to use, performing the exact same thing, folding over at least 1 row of pillows, coming across the proximal portion of the arm, and creating a very nice, comfortable cuff. Last thing that we want to do is to create a cuff on the distal end of our cast. Fold over approximately 1 row of pillows. Right in the center, once again, cut a small V. V towards the patient. Come right through the area. And we now have a very nice, comfortable cuff for our cast. The last thing that you want to apply before you apply your fiberglass is saw stop. Saw stop is really a cast removal aid. What this does, it prevents the cast saw from going through the material and injuring your patient. You want to apply 1 piece on the volar surface of the extremity, and you also want to apply 1 piece to the volar surface of the extremity. Now we're ready for cast application. This is cast application of a short arm fiberglass cast using AquaCast cast liner. You follow the same principles of cast application that you followed with your AquaCast application, following a 50-50 method, leaving approximately 1 row of pillows on the end of your cast. This is a completed short arm fiberglass cast using AquaCast cast liner.